Meaning of Game Boy.
Game Boy.
Game Boy.
Game Boy.
Game Boy. Game Boy is a handheld game console that was first released by Nintendo in 1989. It was the first gaming device that could be taken on the go and was revolutionary for its time. The console was popular among kids, teenagers, and adults alike and had an extensive library of games. With its simple design and intuitive controls, it became a cultural icon in the world of gaming. Even though the technology has advanced since its release, Game Boy still holds a special place in the hearts of many gamers and collectors today.